I'm going to show you guys the very first thing my mom taught me how to cook. It's a basic and simple recipe. You cannot mess it up. Let's go. First, preheat your oven to 425. You're going to get a whole chicken, rinse it off inside and outside. Put it in a baking casserole dish or whatever you want to call it. You're going to use 3 basic seasonings: salt, pepper, and onion powder. Then you're going to put 4 pats of butter in each corner of the pan, including one inside the crevice of the pan. Then you're going to cover it with some aluminum foil. Bake it for 30 minutes, but it's not going to be done at 30 minutes. So hold on, I got another step. I forgot to say the liquid in there is chicken broth, so you're going to pour this in there as well. All right, you're going to take it out of the oven after 30 minutes. Remember, it's not done yet. You're going to add some brown rice to the broth. All right, I added in some brown rice. Yes, I am stirring with a knife because I'm too lazy to get a fucking spoon. Deal with it. I basically added rice to all like the empty spots in the casserole dish where there's room. And you're going to stir it up really good. You don't have to use the whole bag because remember, the rice is going to cook and expand and rise to the top as it gets bigger. Put it back in the oven. Let it bake for another 30 minutes, covered with foil, but it's not going to be done after that 30 minutes. There's one more step. Hold on. All right, we're going to remove the foil, drizzle some of that good old chicken broth over the top, and then we're going to bake it for another 15 to 20 minutes. Do not stir the rice. We want that chicken to get crispy and get a little color on the top of it. Out of the oven, it's got a little color. We're going to cover it up and let it rest for 10 minutes. All right, I just cut into it. You can see it's steamy. You can't really see it on the video, but it is really juicy and tender. Let's eat. All right, here's my plate. I got a butt ton of rice because I love rice. Got some white meat and I got a wing in there. Let's taste it now. This chicken is like butter. I haven't made it basic like this in years. The chicken is so tender and juicy. And the rice, perfectly cooked. If you think you don't know how to cook, try this recipe. It'll be a start.